What's up, YouTube? Back with another fucking video, man. Y'all see what's going on? The 6 is back. Shout out to Nationwideautobody. Shout out my boy Darren. Y'all see what's going on? We back on the video. We're running the fuck up, man. We had another me. We just got the car back. We're gonna make a movie. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Let's run it up. Let's go. Oh my god. Look at her. Paint is immaculate. Gang outside. Y'all see what's going on, baby. Gang outside. Y'all see what's going on. And we got the G back. And we got the G back. Y'all just fucking around, man. Let's go. Y'all see what's going on. We got the G back. We got that G back. Shit. Already. Y'all see what's going on, man. Keep running it up. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna show y'all more. We be right back. My fault, bro. Yeah, OD. Like, oh, I just got it back. Somebody hit it. I swear to God, bro, it just now came out the body shop. I swear to God. On that side. The fender, the bumper, the headlight, mad shit was fucked up. They literally just fixed it. Like, detailed the whole car, look good again. We back though, baby. Like, y'all see the team look out, y'all know already. Y'all see M4, G80, Beamer's Elite, shout out to Beamer's Elite, F80 M3, CLS 63, M2, TTRS, got a Scat, F82, F4. Muffle, y'all. Clean. That shit fire. I ain't gonna lie, that color's tough. That color's tough. Like, the Apex wheels, nice track setup. Yeah, that's tough. See, we outside, man. Yo, I'm so happy the 6 is back, though. Y'all don't understand. Y'all don't even get it. Like, shit's crazy. Look how clean she looks. Look at the headlights. Look at everything. Godly. Sheesh. Wait till the front lip comes. Soon. We're gonna do a lot of things soon. Stay tuned. Lifeofproductx on the sticker. Y'all see what's going on, man. Yeah, man, F90 comp, G82 M4, GM3. My cousin got his Infinity guys. Gang shit. Tell him I look at his interior. Oh, yeah, that's tough. Shit, that's tough. That's fire. Nah, that's fire. Yo, bro, I'm gonna throw you on my YouTube. Facts. Yo. This shit hard. Clean G37. Y'all see the vibes, man. I'm sorry, it's cold. I'm gonna start walking. Cops is here. That's what's going on. My fault, y'all. My fault. Crazy cops is here, but we outside. Cops can't stop nothing. We still outside. Respect to them at the end of the day. Sheesh. TTRS, MA comp. Y'all see what's going on? We outside. Sheesh. Oh, this car kind of look aggressive. Kind of look aggressive. M2. E63. Side. Like, comment, subscribe down below again. Lifeofproductx. Bye, Felicia. Like, E63. I mean, CLS 63. Pardon me. Tough. Clean. You gotta park this shit right here, bro. Oh. This nigga here, we outside. Y'all see what's going on. Sheesh. Yeah, bro, you gonna cut the McLaren off? Stupid. Tough. Oh, God. The Escalade 2, back to back. Y'all notice how I'm coming. Y'all notice how I'm be coming soon. And that's a V. That's a big body V. Like, sheesh. Tough. Yes, that's an aim package. Tough. RC. Aim performance, 100% got to be like shit tough. Y'all see the vibes, man. Y'all see what's going on. We're at the car outside. But we're gonna be back. This is just the startup, you know. Starts at 1 o'clock. It's around like 1:30 right now. 1:45 to be exact. Like, but yeah, we're gonna get back to y'all. I need that. That's tough. Pull with the Mercy lot. Oh yeah, we got some exotics out today. Woo. Tough. Big Mercy logo. You don't see these every damn. You don't see these every day. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Sheesh. Tough. I just had to show you what a GTR pull up. Sheesh. GTR is a nice car. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's starting to grow on me. Got the GTR in and outside. Y'all see what's going on. We're gonna be right back. Try to get y'all all the content I'll possibly give y'all today. Gotta hear this shit leave. Gotta hear it leave. Y'all know. Aventador Murcielago, rare cars, man. Very, very rare cars. Here we go. Sounds so good word. Like, I put up for the FA. Sheesh. Clean, bro. Oh yeah, and my boy Z pulled up. Like, y'all see what's going on, man. The 6 and the 340 is back together, man. Y'all know, y'all really know. My fault, gang. Like, my son Ty. Wicked. But yeah, we outside. We won't be back in. Sheesh. Push it out. Shout out my boy. I'm gonna tag him. Oh, it's traffic. Damn. Yeah, we about to get going now. Oh, he's already leaving. Yeah, we about to get going now. Again, like, comment, subscribe down below. I'm gonna see you guys when we get there. Out of here. We at the next spot. I just love this car. For you, I don't know. My fault. I thought you said something. For y'all that don't know, I used to have an S5 convertible for like 3 months. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. And then right after we got this. So I prefer this. Which would you rather prefer? An S5 or 650? But yeah, that's what's going on. Tough lineup. So this is Superchargedkingz, obviously, by all the Audis you guys can see. Sheesh. Ooh, that is tough. I could jack to that. Sheesh. It's definitely a vibe over here. The weather is great. That's 5. That's 6. No, that's 6. Oh, it's Cardi. 53. No, that's 330, I think. Audi S5. Boy, brought up back out the RC car. Damn. Fast ass little truck. Ain't gonna lie. Alright, yeah, we out. The guys is tired. We hungry. We are going to another meet. Stay tuned for the next vlog. You'll see it then. They still got the drone out. The drone. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe down below. Road to 1K. We out of here.